Top 4 retirement unknown expenses many retirees didn't expect. Don't let your golden years be your broke in the red years. Hi, Cesar De La Cerda here with EnvisionVest. Expense number 1, healthcare costs. Many retirees are taken back and often confused at the different insurance products and what's not covered. Expense number 2, home repairs. Unexpected and costly home repairs can come up at any time. And given the frequency of natural disasters, the chance of repairs or significant loss can happen. Expense number 3, taxes on Social Security and benefits and other income can be higher than expected. Expense number 4, unforeseen or unexpected travel. Expenses such as airfare, hotel, and car rental can add up quickly. EnvisionVest offers a free retirement learning app. Ask me for access. Thanks.